Welcome to all. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a simple relay circuit. The components we needed are a 12 volt relay. So 12 volt power supply is required to operate the relay. One button switch, one diode, two 1K resistors and one blue and red LEDs. This is the relay which is consisting of a coil and two output terminals. In this diagram, 3 is the common input terminal and 4 and 5 are the output terminals. On the initial state, the relay 3 and 4 are closed, so the LED 1 turn on. But when the switch I press, the coil get energized and 3 and 4 are closed, so the LED 2 turns on. In the circuit, there is a diode which is connected reverse biased. Some people have doubt about why the diode is needed. It is because of the relay have a coil. The coil basically is an inductor. When I press the button, the coil get energized and store the energy. The moment when I release the button, all the energy stored in the inductor suddenly released. Its voltage should be 3 to 4 times greater than the input voltage. In this high voltage, all the other components are easily damaged. So the function of the diode is to create a short circuit and dissipate the released energy. So diode is very important in relay circuit.